Kia ora e te whānau. It's a special day.
Hi, Buzz. Hi, Jojo.
We're going on a Toi Time adventure with the Auckland Philharmonia. Would you like to come too? Koari te koutou, are you ready? Let's go!
Tēnā koutou. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Oh, kei te ronga koutou. It's the Toi Time trumpets. Hara mai whānau, hara mai. That must mean it's Toi Time. Oh, ke tātou.
So much fun. Can't wait to grow up and see the world with my own eyes. What's the time? It's the move. What's the time? Toi time. What's the time? It's the move. What's the time? Toi time.
When the Toi Time's on the way, I'm really excited. We're gonna have a good time and you're all invited. We got my Jojo, David, Kay, and Buzz and Cuz. At the Auckland Philharmonia, we on my cuz. Oh, tell me, are you ready to ride? Because everything about to you ride and we're Toi Time.
What's the time? It's the move. What's the time? Toi time. What's the time? It's the move. What's the time? Toi time.
Oh,
Tēnā koutou.
thank you for coming. I said 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock,
Spinning all around.
7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, we need time.
What's the time? It's the move. What's the time?
Toi time.
What's the time? It's the move. What's the time?
Toi time! Woo! Tēnā koutou. Ko Māia tōku ingoa. Ko Jojo ahau.
Kia ora my cousins, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure.
And this is Auckland Philharmonia. Mihi atu.
Wow, there's so many tonga puoro in an orchestra.
There sure are, Buzz. Like the famous Toi Time trumpets.
Oh, hey Māia, Jojo, what happened when the trumpet auditioned for the orchestra? He
What?
blew
What?
it.
Hey, was that a trumpet? Carl, I think that was a kume, a trombone.
Oh, kei he ngā pūtātara, where are the trumpets in an orchestra? Where's the trumpet? No?
You know what? I've got an idea. Why don't we go on a musical adventure with everyone here to find the trumpet?
I love hunting. Hey, can our friends come too?
Of course you can all come with us.
Do you want to come on a trumpet hunt?
Do you? Woohoo! Yes!
Up the back. Do you want to come on a trumpet hunt?
Woohoo!
Down the front here, down the front. Do you want to come on a trumpet hunt? Karawea, all right. Well, let's, on 3, show me your best hunting face. 1, 2, 3. Oh, lethal hunters over here, Māia, lethal. Come on, my cousins, let's go on a trumpet hunt.
We're going on a trumpet hunt. We're gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Hey, look! It's the string section. The wonderful, elegant string section. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. We've got to go through it. Plink, 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 plink. Let's see.
Here, little
Trumpet. Any luck spotting the trumpets yet? No, but I found a whānau of toiri, violin.
Hey, Māia, look, I found a big violin.
Oh, that's not a big violin, Buzz. That's a tāparanguru, a double bass. They're all part of the string whānau though, cuz. Along with the whiranui, the cello. Cello from the other side. Sorry, whānau, I just had to. And the, tiora, the viola.
Oh, yes.
And the harpa, the harp. The harpa is one of my most favourite instruments in the whole world. Oh, hang on a minute. I think I know this waiata. It's about a pūngā werewere, a spider who climbs all the way to the top. Does anyone here know Incy Wincy Spider? You do? Sing with us. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Ka pai koutou, beautiful singing.
And you know the actions too. Should we go again?
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Oh, I know mahi
There's some great Incy Wincies over here.
Are there? I reckon we can do it one more time together, Devana.
Come on.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout, up the spout again.
Oh, Incy Wincies. I
Thanks,
love
guys.
Incy Wincies. I love Incy Wincy. Oh! Look, I found a wizard.
Where? Who?
That fellow with the wand.
Oh. Buzz, that's not a wizard. That's
What?
the conductor, David.
Conductor.
Kia ora,
Kia ora, everybody.
David.
Kia ora. Good morning. How are you? I suppose he is a bit of a music wizard, though. The orchestra follow him to stay in time.
Oh, ka rawe. Kia ora, David.
Kia ora, Buzz. How are you?
Good. Hey, reckon I can have a go at the conducting?
Okay. Come on. Use this. And you count him in, see how you get on.
Conductor. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, and 7, 9, 12, 3, 4. It's broken. Something's wrong with it.
I don't think it's broken.
Maybe you have another go.
Okay, well, I tell you what. Why don't I teach you how to do it, and maybe these guys too.
You just want to learn how to conduct?
Then we conduct with the orchestra. Okay.
Come
right
on.
there. Okay. Have you got your straws, everybody?
Straws.
Did you get given a straw?
He's got a straw.
Is it still there?
Hold your straws up nice and high so we can see.
Excellent. Not too floppy, is it? You haven't sucked on it yet.
Here we
It's still
go.
up there. Good. Okay. Right. Now start up with the ceiling, and we're going to go down to the floor.
Floor.
Yes, and then back up to the ceiling.
Ceiling.
And then down to the floor. And then back up to the ceiling, down to the floor, ceiling, floor, 250 times later. Then you just stop, and then you smile and bow.
Oh.
And that is conducting in a nutshell.
Thanks, David.
Right. Okay, so maybe they could join with me and copy everything I do.
Yeah.
While we play the next song for you, it's called The Hornpipe, and it features a solo violin at the beginning. Okay?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Okay, you do that, and let's carry on with our trumpet hunt.
All
Excellent,
right.
I heard something out there.
Okay, straws ready, everybody. Here we go. Behind your back.
I got it. My arms tied up to just one song. I don't know how you do it, David. Yeah,
Stop.
big muscles. Doing out there? Are you all having a good time? Are you all feeling happy? Kei te hare koa koutou? Aye? Oh, hey, how about this one? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Ooh. And if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
Yeah. And Have you got one, Buzz?
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Oh, hooray! What about all three? Can you put all three together? If you're happy and you know it, can you clap your hands, stomp your feet, and shout hooray?
Hooray!
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 Bye.
Can you guess what our next poeta might be? Aye, if you're happy and you know it. Ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray! All right, just like we did before, we're going to clap our hands and then stomp our feet and then shout hooray.
Hooray!
Whoa. Not yet, Buzz.
Oh.
Ready? All right, here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, stomp your feet, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, stomp your feet, shout hooray!
Hooray!
Dance around! Woohoo! That last bit's a little bit tricky, yeah? Maybe we should give it one more go.
Oh, yes.
All right. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, stomp your feet, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, stomp your feet, shout hooray! Hooray! Dance around! Yay! Ka pai e hoa, Ma.
You know what? I think I heard lots of woodwind instruments in that waiata.
The woodwind section! Hey, Māia, does that mean that it's all made out of all the wood?
Some are made of wood, but some are made of metal. To play a woodwind instrument, you play through one end of the instrument and you blow through it. Like the poritū, the piccolo. Oh. The torino, the flute. Aye. The pūtahoro, the clarinet. Oh, the pūhoru, the bassoon. And of course, the pūtoiri, the oboe.
Ooh, the oboe has a very special job in the orchestra. They help them to tune up like this.
Oh, Buzz. Buzz.
Yep, still got it. Hey, I've got an idea. You want to play a kemi? It can be just like Takuro time when I come to the Toi Time house.
You guys want to play a game?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Okay, the name of the game is Simon Says. I'm going to be Simon.
Simon. But Buzz, your name isn't Simon, it's Buzz.
Oh,
Maybe we could play Buzz Says.
he tino pai tō whakaro e Māia. Let's play Buzz Says. It's Takuro time! And the name of the game is Buzz Says. It's real easy. All you have to do is listen for when I say Buzz Says, followed by an instruction like this. Buzz Says, put your hands on your head. Nice and easy.
far you go.
And if I don't say Buzz says before I give an instruction, then you don't do it.
Don't do it.
Okay, te marama, everyone understand?
I.
Marama.
Let's play Buzz says. Yeah. Buzz says, put your hands to the side. Buzz says, put your hands in the air. Buzz says, witty witty. Buzz says, witty witty over here. Witty witty over there. Oh, you're out. You're out then. You're out.
Again. Let's go again.
All right. Buzz says hope. Buzz says kiraro. Buzz says hope. Buzz says kiraro. Buzz says one leg in the air.
Oh.
Buzz says leg back on the ground. Buzz says one hand in the air. Put your hand down. Oh, you're gonna have to practice.
Ah, Mahi Buzz. That was fun. We should probably get back to finding the trumpets.
Oh, yes.
Oh, back on the hunt.
Uh-huh.
Where could they be? We're going on a trumpet hunt. We're gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day.
Oh, it's the percussion section. I make beats of the percussion.
Can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We've got to go through it. Boom, 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 boom.
Nice.
Here, little trumpet. Oh, look, I've made it to the percussion section. Homate Pokey for the percussion section.
Wow.
It's got some of my favorite instruments, the timipira, the tambourine.
Oh,
Homate Pokey for the tambourine. Oh, lethal. Steve, what are you playing? The timpani. Homate Pokey for the timpani.
the timpani!
Far out that splashes. Hey, Steve, we should have a jam. You want to have a jam? Yeah, come here, B. Yeah, 3, 4, Buzzers, that's my name,
Wow.
Buzzers, me and Steve doing the show, and you know that he's my bro. Do a dance, do a dance, do a dance, do a dance. Oh, freestyle it.
Nice.
Awesome, Steve. Hey, the percussion section is so cool. You play all of the percussion stuff by either hitting it with your hand or a beater or shaking it, scratching it. And I didn't forget about you, my friend, the triangle. Without you, how will we play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Māia, we should sing that song next.
Yes, please. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, maybe a little louder.
Buzz, please wake up.
Oh, it's not working. Maybe we could all wake up Buzz together by saying, wake up Buzz on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up Buzz!
Giraffes have a long neck.
Wow! Kia ora, Buzz.
Oh, aroha mai, your singing was so beautiful, it put me to sleep.
It was. You have very beautiful voices.
They sure do, Māia. Hey, but do you have some cool dance moves?
Oh,
Go.
get it, Jojo. Get it, Jojo. Get it, Jojo. You know what, Jojo? That gives me another idea. Maybe this next one we could sing and dance. This one rhymes with Okie dokie.
Hokey dokey? Is it the hokey pokey?
It is. Let's do it.
All right then.
Hey Māia, I don't know the hokey-pokey.
Kia ha, Buzz?
I don't know the
Oh, ko e whakamā, kōrero mai.
I don't know the hokey-pokey.
Oh, it's okay, Buzz. Maybe some of our audience don't either. Let's learn it together. First, you put your left foot in, like this. Then, you put your left foot out, like this.
Kapai.
You put your left foot back in. You shake it all about. Hands on your hips, and you do the hokey pokey and turn around carefully. And that's what it's all about.
See? You'll get it in no time, Buzz.
Okay.
Are we ready, Tamariki Ma? Let's do it together. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. All right, whānau, this time in Te Reo Māori. Ko wai wai ki roto, ko wai wai ki wapo, ko wai wai ki roto, ka ruri ruri hea. Kei te hope hope o, kei te huri huri o, kei te paki paki o e. Together. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about.
All right, I think I got it.
Oh, wow. Go on then, Buzz.
You put your whole body in, you put your whole body out, you put your whole body in, and you shake it all about. You put your hokey-pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about.
Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. All right.
Once more. We all keep doing it with us. You all together. Awesome down here.
Ready? Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about.
Amazing. Amazing, amazing.
You guys sure do have some great dance moves. We've seen your dance moves, we've heard you sing some beautiful songs, we've learned about lots of cool instruments already. Who here has seen their favourite instrument today? You have? Oh,
Hands at the back.
I'd love to know them all. Is it the harper, like Māia's? Maybe it's the xylophone. On the count of toru, I'll get you to call them out all together so we can hear. Ready? Tahi, rua, toru. Ah, ka pai. Awesome. What a special day we're having together.
Oh, speaking of special days, does anyone out there have a birthday today?
Oh, yeah.
Anyone?
anyone has a birthday?
Oh, we've got
Up
some
the
hands
back
in
there.
the back. Honey, who
It's
needs
Dad's
Happy birthday! Hurry hooty toe friends, thanks for spending your special day with us.
Oh my goodness.
What?
We haven't even found the trumpets yet.
Oh, yes.
Maybe there's not even any trumpets.
Oh.
Maybe the trumpets are out there. Who's hiding their trumpets? Hey, we're gonna have to extend our trumpet hunt.
Okay.
David, keep it going. We've got to keep going.
Okay, we'll check backstage too.
Come on, guys.
We had a good look backstage, but we couldn't find them back there either.
No.
You know what, Māia? I'm starting to feel a little bit frustrated about not being able to find the trumpets. I feel so frustrated that I want to stamp my feet just like the drum.
Oh! Good one, Jojo. I see what you did there. Hey, I got one. What's a drummer's favourite food?
Ooh.
What, Buzz?
What, Buzz?
Chicken drumstick.
Oh.
You know what, Jojo? It's okay to feel frustrated, but I have a good feeling that our friends out here are going to help us find the trumpets. Will you help us, Tamariki Ma? See? I knew they would. Hey, I can hear something.
I heard
Let
it
me have a
too.
look.
See it?
No. No. Hey, I can hear it again.
I can hear it, but I can't see it.
Can you guys hear that?
No. No. There it is again. One more turn around.
Anything?
No.
I tried to surprise her.
I reckon we have one more look.
Okay. Right. I've got a good feeling.
So do I.
We're going on a trumpet hunt. We're gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Hey, look! It's the Woodwind section.
Oh.
With all their fluttering flutes. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We've got to go through it. Wow!
I heard it.
I could definitely hear the trumpet.
Where is
Oh,
it?
so nice. Is it over here? Can you guys hear that?
Hiding it?
Can you see the trumpet?
Where is it coming
Behind
from?
me.
Somewhere everyone's pointing a different way.
Oh.
About up the back there now.
Hey, I see someone at the back.
What is that?
It's the trumpet.
We found that trumpet!
Hey, no. Kia ora, trumpets. Hey, we didn't find just one trumpet either, but an entire brass section.
Hey, we have to celebrate!
Oh, we do, but how? The only way that we know how, to sing and dance together. E te whānau, tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tahi, rua, toru, whā. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha, e ngā iwi kia tapatahi, ki ako tahira, tātou, tātou e. He mihi aroha tēnei ki a Ngāti Kahungunu mo tēnei taonga. Waiata mai. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha, e ngā iwi kia papatahi, ki ako tahira, tātou, tātou e. Tātou, tātou e. Ia koe hei! He mihi nui ki a koutou katoa. Thank you so much for coming to see the show.
Yeah, and for helping us find the trumpets.
Aye. Oh, and a special mention to the Stout Trust, Foundation North, and of course, Auckland Live for helping us put this magical experience together.
Hey, and a big ngā mihi to the Auckland Philharmonia, David Kay! Tino a tāhua. Now, if you want to come for an orchestra walkthrough and see the instruments, the starting line are these steps over here, and you can walk nice and slowly around through the orchestra, say hi, back up the stairs and out the front. Sound good? Ka pai. Until next time, ka kite anō.
Ka kite anō, friends.
Whoa! Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm off to find two of the most famous native birds of Aotearoa, the moa and the kiwi. Oake tātou. Hey, what's that? You're not a kiwi, you're a chicken. Come on. Whoa, what are you? You're not a moa. I wonder what it'll be like to be a moa. That'd be out of it. Pooh! Check it out, cousins. It's the largest native manu, the moa. Ooh, it's ginormous. Hey, did you know there's actually 6 species of moa? I wonder if they're related to Auntie Anika. I found it. It's the kiwi house. He tohu. Please be as quiet as possible. Check it out, my cousins. I've found where the kiwis live. The kiwi, the OG, the native, the one and only. But I can't see any of them. Oh, I know. It's because they only come out at night time. They're nocturnal. I want to be nocturnal. The kiwis are awake. So cool. One's called Barkley and the other one's called Pikelet. Wow, I've never been this close to a kiwi before. Look, check out the amazing whare. Oh, what a whare. Oh, wow, that was amazing. I had such a good time today. I got so close to some kiwi. I'm gonna become a kiwi. Ka kite anō.